when I try to tilt my pelvis, I can already feel my hamstrings stretching. I can feel it. Now, I could just round my back over, faking it, but that's faking it. It's not it. So I'm moving from the left PSIS toward the right foot. You see, this is the movement I was trying to get Denise to do. So you move upright and then toward the foot. You see it? And then turn the trunk, and then start lengthening forward. And now, right now, I have my spine in a fairly neutral position, an elongated position. And you were asking about how much to round over. So which is actually true, my hamstring is limiting me right now. And I would have to work at it to get really warm and then be able to go further. So at this moment in time, this is as far as my pelvis is going to tilt. So I'm going to let my spine add to that. As I start to bring my breastbone forward, my lumbar bends. See it bending? And now if I keep going, I don't want to bend any more down low in the lumbar, but I want to bend a little higher up. So I'm going to let it bend a little higher. And then I'm going to let it bend more mid-thoracic, and now upper thoracic. My upper thoracic doesn't bend that much. And then my neck. And then the pose looks, at this stage, at this moment in time, it looks something like this. So you see the lines of the pose are there, and if the flexibility of my leg releases a little bit, my pelvis goes, I can come down a little further.